Power on the device. Usually the Wi-Fi signal in the upper left corner will turn white and start flashing, which means it has entered the waiting state for pairing and you can start pairing. Launch the app Wix Home. The smart remote will be searched by the app and a quick pairing pop-up window will appear. If the app does not find your device, please check whether your Bluetooth and location permissions are turned on in the system settings. Confirm the Wi-Fi network and password. Please note that only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. The app will now search for the device and register as to your account. Then you can enter the device name. The device name will also be used by Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Power on the device. Make sure your device's Wi-Fi signal is flashing white. If not, press and hold the reset button for more than 5 seconds. Now you can start pairing again.